All this is water. It's a big mess over here. The water go all the way to the wall up there. It's like 4 or 5 inch deep. Okay, the water is back on, so you can see the problem is already fixed. Okay, still dripping water, but that's for the insulation over here. Everything is wet over here, but in a couple of days gonna be dry. Okay, next job.
So that was my project yesterday that I dealt with. A pipe busted underneath a car dealership. Made the plywood soaked. We had to rip the plywood up, rip the flooring up, dry it out, replace it. So that's just a little bit of things that we do on a day-to-day basis.